So sometimes when we're doing design work, we're just curious on what our studio buddies are up to. And so now we can do that with this new studio map feature. So as I have this gaze interaction, I can place down the map. And so these dots all represent other people in studio. And so first I need to select what I wanted to be displayed to my fellow studio mates. And so this glowing option makes me blink on the other studio mates' maps, and so they know that I want to receive feedback. This non-glowing dot means that I don't want to be bothered, and this glowing dot means that I'm willing to give feedback. And so, being the generous person I am, let's select this glowing dot. And so now you can tell that it's selected with a nice shadow on the bottom. And so going back to work, I noticed that over here, Ian's dot is blinking, which means that he wants feedback on his project. And so by using my fingers, I can select him and pull him aside, and a holographic version of him shows up. And so now I can talk to him and see what he's working on. So, hey, Ian, what do you want feedback on?
Hey, could I get some feedback on how these rats are reading?
Cool, sure. And so this is the part where I gave feedback if I, knew how to give feedback. So, after we're done giving feedback, I can close the hologram.
Thanks, man. See you later.
Yeah, anytime. And by clicking with 2 fingers, I can close the hologram and resume going back to my work. And to pull up more information about what each student is working on, I can hover over them with the gaze interaction, and their name, the software that they're working on, and how long they've been working on shows up. In addition, they can write goals for what they're working on for the next class. So here we can see that she wants to make 2 leaf plant spreads and make a leaf illustration. The longer they've been working, the higher up on this map that they show up, with the assumption that people who've been working longer want to give and receive more feedback. And so now I can continue working and just have a map of seeing what people are up to in studio without being super distracted.